Hello and welcome to our video on how to rank first page on Google with ChatGPT SEO extension. So here if you see we have already installed a ChatGPT extension, that is aiprm, and we are going to use this extension to rank our content on top in Google. And in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a keyword strategy using this extension, and using ChatGPT how you can rank on Google. Okay, so first of all we are going to create our keyword strategy. So go up and click on this keyword strategy. Now you need to write your keyword here. So for example, we are working on best digital marketing company keyword. So write here best digital marketing company and then press enter. It will give you the whole strategy that you need to follow during SEO. As you may know, ranking on the Google first page is very crucial for your business looking to stabilize a for any business looking to stabilize a strong online presence. So if you here see that it is giving us a whole table that you can use to create your content and the whole strategy for your website. If you see here we have keyword cluster, then keyword on which we need to work, then the search intent as well. So these are for commercial and informational. Then we have the title and the meta description. Now you can use this title to create blog post for your website, and these blog posts will help you to rank one on Google. So if you copy this and refresh and open a new chat, make sure that you put all these things in a sheet. So let me put this in a sheet first. You need to copy this whole content and then come on your Google sheet and paste it here. Okay, now if you see we have a proper table. Align all these elements. Now create blog post on each of these titles. Okay, now copy this and click on a new chat. Now you need to write a blog post. So click on this write best smart article to rank one on Google. Now paste your article title here, and then it will generate a whole blog post for you. If you see here it's giving us a blog post, and now you know very well that how you can convert AI content to human generated content. If you don't know this, then you can watch our previous video in which we have explained that how you can use AI to create human generated content. You just need to copy this whole section and paste it in your website. Make sure that it is plagiarism free. Okay, so this is how you can optimize your content for better search engine ranking and drive more traffic to your website. So what are you waiting for now? Go and install this ChatGPT extension today and start optimizing your content for better search ranking.